Hello, today's topic is quadratic expression and its graph. Let A, B, C be real numbers. And A is not equals to 0. Okay, then if x is equals to ax square plus bx plus c is known as a quadratic expression. Okay, or a quadratic polynomial in x. The shape of the curve is a parabola having vertex at minus b by 2a, comma minus d by 4a, where d is equals to b square minus 4ac, and it is called the discriminant of the quadratic polynomial. Discriminant of the quadratic polynomial. Okay, let me take another color here. Okay, that's good. The parabola opens upward or downward according as the parabola opens upward or downward according as a is greater than 0 or a is less than 0. Now we try to visualize these two things. So this is the axis y and this is x. Therefore we get a curve like this. Y is equals to ax square plus bx plus c, and here a is greater than 0. This coordinate is alpha comma 0, this is beta comma 0, and this point is minus b by 2a comma minus d by 4a. Okay, now the next possibility is for a is less than 0. Okay, y is equals to ax square plus bx plus c. Here a is less than 0, and we get a point in here with coordinate minus b by 2a and minus d by 4a. Okay, now for a is greater than 0, we get y minimum, where y is equals to x square plus bx plus c is equals to minus d by 4a at x equals to minus b by 2a, and y max is tends to infinity. And the next case is for a is less than 0. Okay, then we get y max is equals to minus d by 4a at x is equals to minus b by 2a, and y min is equals to, or it tends to, minus infinity. Now we try to illustrate this with an example. If a and b, where b is not equals to 0, are the roots of the equation, if a and b are the roots of the equation. Okay, then the least value of this equation is what that we need to find. So let's start with the solution. Let me change the color. Okay, since a and b are the roots of the equation, then we can write that a plus b is equals to minus a and ab is equals to b. Now we can write ab is equals to b, so this implies a minus 1, b is equals to 0, and this implies a equals to 1. Putting the value a equals to 1, we get b equals to minus 2. Therefore y equals to y equals to x square plus ax plus b is a parabola opening upward. Therefore we can say that y mean is equals to minus d by 4a, as the value of a is equals to 1, so it's gonna be minus d by 4, and y mean is results in minus a square minus 4b divided by 4. Okay, so after putting the values of a and b, we get minus 9 by 4 as answer. So this is our answer, and that's all for today. Thank you very much.